Montessori Animal Matching is so great for children to start to conceptualize the transition from the two-dimensional world to the three-dimensional world. We picked these animals because they're all animals that children can make a sound with. So between 19 and 21 months, you might notice that your baby starts to make sounds like woof woof for dog, or oink oink for pig, or moo moo for cow. And it's that, making those animal sounds is actually the beginning of language.
You know, the thing about working with matching is that there's so many variations that you can do to build on that. This activity will actually last a long time. So initially I would start with perhaps just a couple of tiles and remove the rest of the tiles in the animals and let your child just experience something real simple. And in this case, they would simply put them right on top. Then you can add more tiles and more animals as they're ready. And eventually you'll have them all out. And I do suggest, just to train the eye to move from a left to right position, which is what they need to track for reading, is to lay them, all out in a horizontal line and have them start here. And then later you can actually even do this in a vertical position, which is kind of another different experience, because when we read, we move not just left to right, but also top to bottom. And oh man, they're gonna have so much fun, even without the tiles, just simply lining up the animals. So Dr. Montessori talked about something called sensitive periods. And that's really these windows of opportunity when kids are most ready for some learning in that time. And this sensitive period for order is happening when your child is quite young. And so you'll find that they like to just simply put things in a row. So you can use these animals for a lot of things even without the tile. And if you want to take it even a step further, there's this idea, it's called the steriognostic sense. It's like seeing with your fingers or seeing with your hands. So after they've had a lot of experience with these animals, and they feel pretty familiar, you could actually put an animal inside and let them reach their hand inside and feel it and see if they can guess what animal it might be. Or if you had all the tiles out and all the animals out, they could see which one was missing, right? You could have all kinds of fun with a mystery bag.
It's very cool. And I also just want to make sure that parents are just having fun with this and making those animal sounds, because that is so great for language development.